So, here, come.
What's up, you guys? Today it's time for something completely different. So for the past week or so, you've seen me tour around Australia, checking out a bunch of fish stores and reef shops. So now I am at the Port Moresby Adventure Park, and I'm gonna go see a bunch of terrestrial animals, hoping to see a big crocodile, let's see some tree kangaroos and some birds of paradise, and who knows what else. So let's go inside. It's time for a change up.
Think it gives me your shame. Me spot team Europe, it's back market. You walk about the car. Me blow me over money. Piram, yo. Tell me look now, make me don't look at you again. No, me realize him that you already left beneath. I also hear when I am all same. You think blow me through or eager man time you said to gonna blow pigs back my game. When it blow it blast blow taboo. Maybe I know most step back in ya. Think about time you out your complex. But see all that try say you make him and you fall in love with ya. But it's so fine. I talk a bilang turn like you got it past his rap. Make it think blow man you go foul every time. Time got a motel kundu pair up you got the beauty. Every time you think him you I would have it pull. You think blow me down. One time you said to gonna blow pigs back my game. When it blow him blast blow taboo.
From the outside world, take my hand, let's take a walk. You don't need to worry about perfection. There ain't no one to judge you down here. Only the news and the sick politics. Ruin today, but tomorrow we alright. We can live the city lights, set sail across the tropics. Meet me halfway across the world. Wake up to see the sunshine, sleeping on sand by the sea. Let's get lost in paradise. Is this what you mean? What you really need when you say let's get lost in paradise. Let's get lost in paradise. You dreaming to live by the sea, simply to feel and smell the ocean breeze. Sleep and wake up to reality. Anywhere I go, I still miss home. Wishful thinking and daydreams. Open your heart to me, baby. Please don't get stuck in the big city, step back in time, don't book no hotel room, just come meet me halfway across the world. Wake up to see the sunshine, sleeping on sand by the sea. Lost in paradise. Is this what you mean? Is this what you really need? When you say, let's get lost in paradise. Let's get lost in paradise.
Baby, let's get lost down in paradise. Roll with me, I'm the lucky dice. Need a bad girl, don't be at the nice. I'm just trying to creep like mine. I don't smoke up, but tonight you can be my vice. And I need advice. Should we sit beside the fire till it isn't bright? Should we sit up on the sand, watch the stars till we see the morning light? Or we could just talk all night if you like.
Meet